This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make head wings. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need items such as 2mm high-density EVA foam, sturdy wire, a comfortable headband, and strong adhesives like contact cement or hot glue. For decoration, think about feathers, various fabrics, or even cellophane. Don't forget your basic tools. A utility knife, scissors, and a heat gun will be very helpful for shaping and cutting. Now, let's construct the base for your head wings. Begin by shaping 12-gauge galvanized steel wire into your desired wing outline, creating two identical frames. Cover these wire frames completely with floral tape to create a smooth, unified surface. Next, attach these frames to a headband. You can use strong adhesive like E6000 glue or even small, powerful magnets for detachable design, ensuring a secure fit for comfortable wear. With your frames ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. If using feathers, start layering them from the bottom up, overlapping slightly for a natural look. For foam or fabric, cut out individual feather shapes and glue them onto the frame. You can also use cellophane for a translucent effect. Add depth and detail with acrylic paints, airbrushing, or even dip dyeing techniques to create beautiful color gradients and unique patterns on your wings. To finalize your head wings, apply a clear matte spray sealant to protect your intricate work and enhance durability. Test the wings for balance and comfort on your head. They should feel secure without causing strain. For larger or heavier designs, consider adding a hidden harness or extra support straps that can be concealed under your hair or costume. This ensures your beautiful, handcrafted head wings stay perfectly in place for hours of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.